The short legs.
I think he likes that sound.
Give me na the cell phone.
No.
The internet can...
You want the dog thing.
The internet cannot reach it anymore, Ro.
Yeah.
This is not even my phone.
the bug?
It's Mommy's phone.
Can you give me the bug now? There's a smaller bug that's
Wow.
than you. Oh no, what's that bug?
Wait, look, it's traffic there. Ro.
Right there. There.
Yes.
What's the excavator?
I don't know.
I think it's in the... I think it's walking now.
Okay, Ro.
There's a smaller bug.
Yeah, that's a small packet for cell phones.
And this is the...
Or you can put trucks, small toy trucks, Tomica.
I put small trucks and I put my semi looks na blue tone to a semi-hollow na.
Okay, you open it. Let's show them what's inside your bag, Ro. Wow!
It belongs to this truck.
Wow, I like it, Ro.
Look at this.
Okay, return it because we're gonna go back. We're gonna go buy food.
What is that?
That's for charging phones for the... Okay.
Let's see. I hope there's nothing in there. What?
There's a tag. It's still new.
No?
Yeah. Go. Put it back.
In that?
Ooh. What's this? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait.
Did you see that bug?
Mm.
Oh, I don't like that. I like